Welcome, Leading Human AI Systems. The integration trap. As AI becomes embedded in your everyday operations, many leaderships are discovering an uncomfortable truth. They don't actually decide how humans and AI work together. They simply add AI to an old process and hope clarity would emerge. It rarely does. When you bolt on AI without redesigning your decision architecture, you aren't gaining efficiency, you're accumulating risk. Accountability blurs and speed becomes the enemy of clarity. Design, not assumption, is the mantra. Human AI leadership is not something that evolves naturally. It must be designed intentionally. AI brings the scale and the pattern recognition, as humans bring the imagination, the synthesis, and the ethical judgment. Capabilities does not equal authority. Authority must be assigned deliberately, not inherently accidentally. You have to commit to one deceptively simple question. Who decides what and under what conditions? 3 design decisions you can't avoid. To keep your leadership heavyweight, you must make 3 things explicit. Role clarity. You must distinguish between decisions that stay purely human, those informed by AI, and those executed by AI with human oversight. Escalation pathways. Disagreement between your judgment and the machine is inevitable. The failure isn't the disagreement, it's failing to design how that disagreement is resolved before the pressure hits. Authority boundaries. AI can advise and prioritize, but authority, the right to commit your organization, must remain human and traceable. Minimum viable design. I hear from CEOs all the time that they don't have time for complex governance. My response is, you certainly don't have time to clean up the mess and consequences of a purely designed system later. You don't need perfection, you need clear, minimum viable design, a few clear categories, explicit override rules, and permission for your team to challenge the system. This isn't bureaucracy, it's leadership discipline. When accountability is clear, AI amplifies your leadership. When it isn't, AI quietly replaces it. If AI is embedded in your firm, but authority feels unclear, it's time to redesign the collaboration, not add another tool. In my one-to-one coaching, we build these decision architectures together to ensure you stay in the driver's seat. Book a 30-minute Zoom session below to discuss your specific setup. As always, thank you for your attention.